Here's an easy snack you can make using garlic cloves. Today we're making garlic cloves. I've got a bunch of garlic cloves I'm not going to use, and I'm going to need to use them up. I'm going to peel them and chop off the root. This is the most time consuming bit of prep you will have to do today. Now that we have all the cloves, I'm going to transfer them to an oven safe dish. After this I'm going to add some vegetable oil. It can be olive or any other. I think a vegetable oil will help me because at the end of this cooking process I'm going to have some garlic oil that I'll be able to use for future recipes. I'll keep adding oil until my garlic is submerged, and then I'll add some dried rosemary and give it a good stir. Now into my oven, that is been preheated to 90 degrees for a minimum of 1.5 hours. In the meantime I've got some bread from my how to make bread video, which I'm going to toast on each side. After about 90 minutes have passed, I'm grabbing my garlic out of the oven, and as you can see, it smoothly glides across the bread like butter. This might seem a bit grim because you're eating straight garlic, which is known to be very pungent, but the flavour is dialed out and there's a smooth, lovely silky texture. With this being said, this is a great way to use up leftover garlic, and there's little to no waste. With this being said, make sure you be using the oil. Goodbye my friends, I'll see you next week.